right, this is an Osborne See Inside Germs, new for June 2020. And this is great, especially since we're in a pandemic right now. It is a good tool to help teach your kids on how germs spread, what they are, how we can prevent them. You've got tons of informative flaps and little tidbits, and a little bit of history. And I always love to see inside. Lots of viruses come in lots of strange shapes. You've got bacteria. It's really cool. It's so new. You can see I haven't even opened a lot of the flaps yet. Bacteria, how they release gas, how they help plants grow, how they live in our stomach, in the food we eat, how they multiply, how it can give us stomach aches, how they're not like other germs. Sometimes it takes over a cell. This is cool. I like all the bright pictures. Protozoa, fungi. Let's see. This page is nice because it can help you explain to your kids why they can't play on the play sets right now, which is really hard for a lot of kids. But some families it's a necessity because they have vulnerable people living in their homes. The toilet, how you can get it from your neighborhood. Germs on animals, at the hospital. So lots of good flaps in here when you breathe, inside your body. So just a really nice tool you can use, especially in a pandemic. And a little bit of history about antibiotics and vaccines, petri dishes, and how doctors can help you, and how some bacteria can become superbugs. I know they're starting to find some of those in the melting ice caps. So just a great book. Check it out.